Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will share my opinion about the topics that the AI can replace the software engineer or not. So this video will cover my opinion and let's get started. So first, maybe you listened before that a lot of people uh, say that AI will replace the software engineer in the future or maybe right now. But in my opinion, there is two types of software engineer. The first is the strong or the monster software engineer, and the second is the weak software engineers or maybe the copy paster of the code software engineer. So the first software engineer, the strong software engineer, this category the AI cannot replace right now or maybe in the future also because the strong software engineer has the uh, where fundamentals of computer science basic. For example, know where the operating system, know where how the memory works, has the basic or the concept of networking, also know how to program with low level or the high level, know about the different type of algorithms and data structure. So also make test and know each type of test, for example, unit testing, integration testing, end-to-end testing, without asking the team leader if I can make the test or not. So this strong software engineer also know about the topics related with system design, for example, the scalability, the availability, the consistency. So this strong software engineer that really care about the solving problem and fix issue and also know where is exactly the issue. So this software engineer the AI cannot replace but really can make her work faster. But when we go to the second type of software engineer, the weak software engineer, who just copy the code from Stack Overflow or maybe ChatGPT and don't know how the code work. So also this bad software engineer that write every single day repetitive task, simple CRUD operation task, don't know about testing, uh, don't know how to scale the system, also what is the different type of error maybe can happen. So this software engineer, the small problem or the small bug, he just run fast to ChatGPT or any LLMs or Claude or any AI tools and just tell him, give me the solution. But the AI himself don't know the project, don't know the project structure or the project architecture. Okay, so now we define two type of software engineer. How I can be valuable in the time of AI. First, don't skip the fundamentals of computer science. The operating system, the networking, the computer architecture, the data structure, the algorithms, the object-oriented programming, the design pattern, the system design. So these uh, topics, if you master it, you will be a unique software engineer because you know how the system works, you know how the things work behind the scenes. Okay, so the second is to like don't copy and paste from the AI tools. Try to understand. So if you start with a new language programming or new tools, try to understand how the tools work exactly. So if you want, for example, if you switch from Laravel to Golang or maybe to Spring Boot, try to know how Spring Boot works. Uh, Try to know how, for example, Express.js works. Okay, so this allow you to know how the technology and where we used and when you used. The third things I think also to upgrade and develop is the communication skills. For example, you should to know how you present yourself, how you present your feature for your team leader, how you present your code for your team leader or your manager, how you can, for example, also ask the uh, the right questions. And here we have two scenarios. You can ask the right question for the manager to, like, if you don't understand what task, you can ask him to give the hint or something like that. And also know how to ask the AI tools to get effective result. Because if you don't raise the problem, maybe the AI can return with bad result, or for example, if you need code, just return uh, not efficient code. So you should to tell the AI exactly what you want. So this is my opinion for topics that AI can replace or not the software engineer. So try to be unique, try to understand how the things work, uh, care about the fundamentals or the basic of computer science, and try to practice by your hands, try to understand, try to read articles, uh, try to see the code of other engineer or other repository. So this what make you strong in the time of AI.